This is why you need to say, bless you. It's more than just good manners. So you sneeze and someone says bless you, but why? Let's travel back to ancient times. Back then, people believed a sneeze could expel your soul or invite evil spirits. Seriously. Then there was the bubonic plague in the 6th century. Sneezing was one of the plague's symptoms, so Pope Gregory I suggested saying God bless you as a prayer for good health. Pretty cool, huh? Fast forward to today and saying bless you is just a friendly gesture. No evil spirits, just good vibes. So next time someone sneezes, you'll know why you're blessing them. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to Daily Up for more fun facts. Stay curious, folks.